It's Christmas Eve! Man, that sounds like the Viaduct theme, to be honest. Or at least the busy. Oh my god, is that Boomer? Felt too tight.
Isn't tighter the better?
Ah, you think so?
And that'll happen here if we can't get this jam shifted.
Aye.
Wetlock's catching fire. I can never get used to that.
Aye,
Aye.
always surprises me. Well, we'll have to keep at it.
Hey,
I love that face. Look at me. Hey, Puffer! Oh, hi, Big Mac!
thought,
Don't worry, Sunshine. We'll get you out of there in no time.
I'm going to die.
oh, Puffer gets help.
Soon. Oi, Puffer, you in trouble? No, you are 10 cents. Oh!
Don't worry, I'm okay.
Smoke from me engine's a bit heavy, though. I'm afraid that smoke's not from your stack. I didn't think it was. Base Sunshine.
Sunshine? Just
It's,
hang on.
it's beginning to get warm around here. Oh, and how did you get in that mess?
On purpose, Super. Just for the fun of it. On your way, man.
No! Wait, Billy.
Can we have a little blast?
Just enough to get him out.
No, he'll blow up, Sunshine. Oh, no, I won't. You'll see. I'm in charge now. That's what I'm afraid of. It won't be a big blast, will it, Billy? I said well back just to be on the safe side. I wish I could be on the safe side too. Mood Sunshine. One. Ah! Anybody left out there? That was a big bang. Well, it was a very controlled explosion too. And I'm out, see? Oh, we gotta warn him.
We've got to warn them.
Well, I should best be going then. Jay's upriver. Tell him.
Right, I'm awaiting since. A
A race against time. I'll beat him. Goes 5 miles per hour. Oh, Quayside.
us as well.
We'll stop him right here. Be sensible, warrior. How? And then he won't move. Now I get blown the blitz.
You'll be smashed up there or here.
No difference.
Warrior's got it right for once. Oh no!
Warrior, you're on the wrong side. Oh, yeah. So I am. Suffering stacks. Look at the size of that. Oof. Ah, rev and push. Rev and push. Oh, I'm revving and pushing, OJ. Chad boats. Wow.
Well, you got the worst of it, Warrior.
You're lucky to survive. And you so as well, you little bitcher. I can't speak.
Action saved Uptown from certain disaster.
It's Christmas Eve.